Appliance Factory and Mattress Kingdom, the nation's largest discount appliance dealer. Visit our website for deals and store locations near you.
Hello, America. This is Keith, your friendly neighborhood technician, coming at you with some more wonderful information. Today, we're going to go out just basic things you can do to make sure and help your dishwasher keeps working properly. Okay, basic maintenance, annual maintenance, yearly maintenance, whatever you want to call it. We have a GE dishwasher here, and we're going to show you how to do some real basic maintenance tips that you can do for yourself as you go through, as your dishwasher gets older, to keep it running properly and keep it working as well as it possibly can. First of all, we're going to start off with the water filter. And I don't mean a water filter like you have in your house. I mean, this is actually what filters the water that gets re-pushed back through. And what I mean by that is, if you take out the bottom rack, okay, your dishwasher is going to have something that looks like this. Okay, this is actually a filter screen. What I mean by that is, it comes out, and then you have a screen here. Okay, if you look at this screen, you see how you can see through it? You know what I mean? Not real great, but you can see through it. That means water flows through that. Okay, and then it goes back in and gets re-pushed back up, and it tries to get the big particles out of the way so they don't clog anything up. Now that one's in decent shape. This one is not so in decent shape. It's not exactly like this, but they're all basically similar processes, okay? Now this, you're not getting the water flow that you need to help make sure your washer is washing correctly. You want to make sure you get this thing clean. This has probably never been cleaned. I would do it basically once every couple of months, take it out, look at it. Now if you want to clean it, all you got to do is get a little toothbrush, and then you can basically just clean it and you will get all those out of there, okay? Not a lot of maintenance to it, but this one, like I said, is really not good. You don't ever want to get that bad because you're basically cutting down the amount of water flow. When you cut down the amount of water flow, you cut down the effectiveness of your dishwasher, and your stuff doesn't come as clean as much. Like I said, it's pretty basic. You know, if you look on it, it's got all the information you need on how to take it off, how to put it on, the whole 9 yards. It's pretty basic. But yeah, like I said, how this one is, you can see through it. That's what you want to be. If you can't see light through it and see it through it well, it's definitely got to be cleaned, okay? And another quick thing, some have this little filter here. This one, a little heavier, so a little bigger chunks will go through, and this keeps the smaller chunks from going through. Can you see the size difference between the holes here and the holes there? They're just basically to filter out big particle chunks that won't get into your washer motor and start to clog things up and mess things up, okay? But they're all basically similar, not the same, but they're similar. If you look at yours, like I said, it's fairly very self-explanatory. Okay, you put it in, twist it, it's locked in place. That's all you got to do, is basically just keep it clean. Now another thing to look for is this little blue, this little eye here, okay? That should be blue. This is a new washer, so there's actually no jet dry in it, but jet dry helps your dishes dry better, okay? So what you want to do, if yours doesn't have a low light, then look at your little eye there. If you don't see blue, you need jet dry. Right now it should be a clear light because we haven't added jet dry to this yet. Something to think about, something to watch for. So don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel. Come back for some more wonderful information and have a good day.